gives the F-35 an impressive 1,500-foot turn radius. As Major Cruiser approaches show center, she will light the afterburner, bank sharply, pressing her into seat with up to 9 Gs, or 9 times the force of gravity. After completing the turn, the F-35 will power straight into the vertical, then quickly change direction in a maneuver we call the landing loop. And from the right, the Lightning II's combat radius turn. The dedication pass. Major Cruiser will now demonstrate the Lightning II's crisp agility and handling. Note, as she makes her approach, she's in the inverted position. As she reaches show center, she will complete a 360-degree roll and finish the pass inverted. And from the left, Major Cruiser performing the inverted to inverted pass. Look at those players go. The F-35 possesses the incredible ability to point its nose at will in a dogfight. Watch closely as the jet climbs more than a mile to the vertical and completes a landing loop. And then, while under complete control and without thrust vectoring, Major Cruiser will execute a full 360-degree flat turn. Ladies and gentlemen, the Lightning II's pedal turn. Watch now as Major Cruiser flies across the airback container and traces a square in the sky. As she reaches the top of the loop, she will remain inverted. It reduces the speed of the aircraft to 100 knots. Coming in from the left, the F-35 performing the unique square loop. The ability to maintain slow speed flight is crucial in combat. The potent combination of sophisticated flight controls coupled with the most powerful fighter engine ever built make it possible to reduce the F-35 speed to less than 100 knots. Coming in from your right, Major Cruiser will demonstrate the F-35's slow speed capability. And then, just as she